Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing multiples and factors chapter. So today our topic is relation between HCF and LCM. Okay, now we have learnt what is HCF and what is LCM. So today we will learn what is relation between them, how these two are connected with each other. Okay, so for finding relation, there is one formula that product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Means if we are finding HCF and LCM of any two numbers, then what is the relation between these two? So product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. Okay, so let's do it by taking one example. I am taking here two numbers 12 and 15. Okay, so first I will find their HCF and LCM. Now first HCF of 12 and 15. Now here no method is mentioned. Now it is your own wish that with which method you want to find HCF or LCM. Okay, here I am using finding HCF by finding all the factors. Okay, so first I will write factors of 12, that is 1 2 3 4 6 and 12, and then 15's factor 1 3 5 15. Now see, common factor only 3. So if only single is the common factor, it means that is only the highest common factor. So it means HCF of 12 and 15 is 3. Next, I will find LCM of 12 and 15. So I will prefer here short division method. So 12 and 15, so one even number is there, so I will start with 2, 6, 15 as it is, then again 2, 3, 15 as it is. Now these 3 and 15 both are divisible with 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Okay, now only one prime number is left, so we will divide with the same number. So till we get 1, we will continue this process. So what will be the LCM of 12 and 15? Product of all these prime factors. So it means 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 15. So we are not 15, it is 5. So we will get 60. So product of 12 and 15 means multiplication. So 12 15s are 180. Now this is one side of this formula. Product of two numbers we have found here 180. Now what is on other side? Product of LCM and HCF. Okay, so HCF we have found, that is 3, and LCM we found 60. So product of 3 and 60 is also 180. You can see both these results are same. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.